Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off emergency calls only on Samsung. Alright, let's begin. First, check your signal and move to a better location. Go outside, near a window, or to an open area because a weak network often causes the phone to show emergency calls only. Next, restart your phone. Power it off completely, wait for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. You can also toggle airplane mode. Swipe down, turn airplane mode on, wait 10 seconds, and then turn it off again. If the problem continues, select your network manually. Go to Settings, then Mobile Network, Network Operators, and choose your carrier manually from the list. Another solution is resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, then scroll down and open General Management. After that, tap Reset and select Reset Mobile Network Settings. Now tap Reset Setting. This will reset Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. Finally, check for a software update and install it if available. So that's basically how you can turn off emergency calls only on Samsung. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.